Hello with your national weather forecast as we take a look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. That's Wednesday, the 11th of February. First with the synoptic map, and we do have over Western Australia the remnants of ex-tropical cyclone Mitchell, and that rain will gradually ease back to showers after what has been very welcome rainfall across WA's wheat belt. Some of that tropical moisture though will get swept up by this cold front and a number of surface troughs across southeastern parts of the country, but rainfall through there is not expected to be anywhere near as high as what we did see over Western Australia. Further north, more showers and storms for central and northern parts of the country. A dry day along the eastern seaboard, and this tropical low off the Queensland coast will remain off the Queensland coast through the rest of the week, with only a low chance of becoming a tropical cyclone at this stage. So now step by step look, starting off with Queensland. In the morning, a bit of patchy fog across eastern areas that will clear to a mostly dry morning. And then into the afternoon, we'll see a few showers popping up along the southeast and also east coast, and more broad areas of showers and thunderstorms across inland areas. The possibility of heavy falls leading to flash flooding across southwestern parts of the state. And this tropical low off the coast of Mackay is not really having much of an impact at all, just pushing some very light showers onto the tropical north coast. But otherwise, looking like a warm to hot day. High 30s to low 40s out west yet again, and quite warm still across the southeast of the state. Brisbane, 33 degrees with a chance of a shower. 33 also up in Cairns with a possible shower as well. Now to New South Wales, you will see some morning fog along eastern parts of the state that will clear to a warm and dry day, but into the afternoon we will see a few possible showers about the mid-north coast and also up towards the north coast. Then late at night we will see a surface trough approaching from the southwest that will bring a band of showers as well as cooler winds to the Riverina and southeastern parts of the state, particularly as we head into Thursday. So for Sydney, chance of some morning fog with a top of 31 degrees. Morning fog also possible in Canberra, a warm day with 34 there. Now to Victoria, warm northerly winds will push those fire dangers up. So we are expecting extreme fire dangers for most districts, also including for Melbourne. But then late in the day, we will see that cool change pushing through. Showers will build from the southwest, extend into central districts and also eastern parts of the state as we head into the evening. Most people should see some rainfall totals up to 2 millimetres in the far west and 5 to 15 millimetres across East Gippsland. For some people, this will be the best rainfall so far this year. But ahead of that cold front, another warm to hot day, reaching the low 40s through the Mallee and low to mid 30s for other parts of the state, but remaining quite cool in the southwest with a cool change coming through quite early in the day. So for Melbourne, a sunny day to start, but then we will see showers increasing through the day with a top of 32 degrees. Now to Tasmania, those warm northerly winds will push temperatures right up into the mid to high 20s. A few showers across the north and west to start with, but then once that cold front pushes through from the west, you will see showers building all the way across the state. 5 to 15 millimetres is forecast in the southwest, but less than 5 millimetres along the east coast. And late at night, we'll see that snow level falling quite significantly. Snow levels down to about 11 to 1200 metres at night time, then falling even further as we head into Thursday. So for Hobart, we are expecting the showers to increase with a warm day with a top of 28 degrees. Now to South Australia, it will be quite an unsettled day across the state. Showers and storms from the get-go right across the north of the state, but we'll see some cooler southerly winds moving up from the south that will clash with the hot air across the north. So widespread showers and thunderstorms for inland and western areas, and they could produce flash flooding with that heavy rainfall coming through. And so showers will push across the rest of the state into the afternoon and evening, including for Adelaide, 30 degrees there with a few showers coming through, otherwise remaining quite warm to hot across the rest of South Australia. Now to Western Australia, and the remnants of ex-tropical cyclone Mitchell will continue to break away and start to move away from the wheat belt. Still some heavy showers possible at the south coast, but they'll gradually contract away into the goldfields. It will be quite cool though under that cloud cover, only reaching the low to mid 20s inland, but warm and sunny again right across the west coast, and also quite windy through some areas. So for Perth, a sunny day with a top of 30 degrees and more showers and storms across the Pilbara and also through the interior. Finally, across northern Australia, really not much change compared to the last few days. We are still expecting widespread showers and thunderstorms. We could see some heavy falls across the far south of the Northern Territory, including around the Alice Springs area, but showers and storms for the top end and also into the Kimberley, which is pretty typical for this time of year. So Darwin, showers and possible storm with a top of 31, 35 in Alice Springs with further storms. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest information and warnings on our website and app. Follow us on social media, and as always, have a great day.